Hi there. I really hope this is working, and as always, I hope you can hear me. I do have a new microphone, and I believe the brand name is Deity, and I was told it was a really good microphone. So, again, I hope you can hear me. My name's Yvonne DeCellis. Welcome to my channel, Y Energy. This is for people who've been here before as well as newcomers. If you are new here, I welcome you with open arms, and I hope you will be back. If you're one of my loyal subscribers, I love you guys, and I thank you for helping me monetize my channel. I'll let you know how things go, but I'm just really hoping this is working. This is the first microphone I've gotten so far that's actually been good, so please let me know in the comments below, or you can send me a message via my webpage, ydcdesigns.org. Really curious to see what you think. If you have any problems at all hearing me, also let me know. I will close caption this video as soon as I am allowed to. But for my video this week, I'm going to start doing meridian tracings. And for people who do not know what meridians are, they are energy pathways. I think of meridians as blood work, basically. There are 14 meridians. It's really just one really big one, but they're all sectioned off. As far as I know, the ones I'm aware of are 14 meridians, and I'm going to show you two main ones today. I'm just going to lower the camera. I'm actually going to have to stand up for this one. This is the central meridian. Pardon the hat, by the way. I was outside today and the hair really kind of wreaked havoc. Sorry. The wind wreaked havoc on me, and I just didn't feel like dealing with it, so hence the hat. But anyway, central meridian is you put your hands together at your pubic bone, and you just trace all the way up over your chin, over your mouth, and then to the edges, and then lock. Think of this as a locking motion. You're locking up the energy you just brought up to the top. And then the next one is governing. And I need to turn around for this, so I have to move my cable from my microphone out of the way. But for central, you want to put your hand up basically where your spine starts. Just put it here and then come up. Go as low as you can with your hand, and then go up and overhead and off the tip of your nose. A couple of people have said also, if you want to join central and governing after you go off the tip of your nose, you would then go here, push in and down. That's up to you. That is if you feel like you need to link the two meridians. That was central and governing. Like I said, there are 14 meridians. I will go over more of them. Also, if I do a live Wednesday night at 9 p.m., if you are interested, and if anyone shows up to my live, people have not been showing up, which is fine because I haven't been advertising them. But if anyone does and anyone wants to see the other meridians, I'd be happy to show them if someone shows up. So again, the lives are Wednesday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Meridian tracings can be wonderful. They help get the meridians clear and flowing. When you do meridian tracings, you might notice temperature shifts or pressure shifts, or you may not. One thing that I felt a pressure or energy shift off of right away was just going from shoulder and going down across and off the other hip, and then going to the other side and going down that way and then off the hip. I always shake the hands out afterwards, rub your hands together and shake them out, and that'll get rid of negative energy that you may have picked up. But anyway, I do have to go for now. I'm going to bring the camera back up a little bit. Sorry about the shakiness and everything, but I do have to finish up this video for now. I have a couple of appointments, but I will be here Wednesday at 9 p.m. So if you want to come to my live, please do. I would say come in the beginning if you can, because if no one shows up in the first 10-15 minutes, I'll probably log out because I have other things that I need to do. But if people do show up, I'll stay on as long as they do because I want to answer people's questions. Also, I want to accommodate your schedule. So if 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday nights is not a good time for you, let me know what is, either in the comments down below or by going to my website, ydcdesigns.org, and contacting me. Just let me know what works for you. What's the best time and day, or time and or day of the week for me to do a live so that your schedule can be accommodated. As always, thank you so much for listening to me. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're interested in more, or or just for some interaction, just leave me a comment down below. But as always, just thank you for your time, and I really do hope you will come to see me again. I know your time is valuable, and I appreciate you spending it here with me. Thank you as always. Namaste. Sending Reiki energy healing your way. Cheers. Bye-bye.